still in the single digits out here. So that's crazy. Got the chili.
She want it. Oh my god.
Backing the car into winter storm protocol right now. I don't know if we want to do the windshield wipers. We may, but essentially we're getting ready to clear the driveway for snow, but we may need to move again. The ground, it was sublimating. We had a lot of burga for a while, and now it is coming down at a good rate. Very good. Covering everything. We'll measure in a little bit, but we're still in bed. Snow getting already very heavy. Already an inch has fallen, so this is a big storm, and it might get heavier. So very light, and the temperatures are still in the single digits. So that's what's making it cold, but very easy to shovel. That is the exciting thing. It's very easy to shovel. We're gonna snow blow, but you know, you don't even feel it much. But yeah, visibilities are dropping. Still very cold. But yeah, already an inch, so it's gonna get worse before it gets better. Okay, as you can see here, we just did one pass of the snow blowing, and you know, it's coming down. We're gonna go measure in just a second here, but we are in the thick of it right now. The radar will maybe bring that up, the plow coming through. He doesn't really do this road, but you know, it's tough. Still in the single digits out here, so that's crazy. We're gonna go measure. We did snow blowing here. We usually measure here, but we may have contaminated that lawn because of the snow blowing. But near whiteout, it's been heavy snow and it's continuing. This is probably the worst. We're gonna get ready for the Pats game with some chips and dip and everything. So yeah, we'll see what the measurement is in the backyard. We're measuring upwards of 9 inches. You know, this is rough. We'll go back out front, look at visibilities. We are definitely seeing like that 3 inches in an hour type of deal. Probably more like 2 inches an hour actually, because 3 inches since I last did a snowblower, and we just had a plow come by just a second ago. So we're probably at a foot because I measured 9 before. So we're not doing the official measurement just yet. But yeah, another guy snow blowing. We did a little snow blowing before. Yeah, so almost a little sleety. It's about like 4:30, 4:45-ish. So, you know, that's about 1.5 inches in an hour. So crazy rates already, and it's still coming down pretty heavy. You can kind of feel that warm air coming in. Mass outside the bubble.
As long as they get the snap. 3 times.
Cool. We just had some snow blowing. It's a little snowy, sleety. I don't want to call it sleet. I want to call it snow, but it does feel a little different. It does feel denser. We had to knock this whole thing down for the plow. It's really wild. Oh, got someone plowing the driveway over there. But yeah, the game's over. And we are snowed in with about 13, 14 inches.